Hi, I'm Troy Bullock from Greenville, North Carolina, United States of America, and I'm filming here today, Saturday, June 28th, 2025, in the beautiful city of Wilmington, North Carolina. My username is Troy Bullock at yahoo.com, and my project name is Battleship, based on the backdrop you see behind me for the World War II Pacific Theater, where the Japanese fought against the United States during World War II. Hope you enjoy my presentation. We've just entered in Python project.py. Welcome to the World War II version of Battleship. Enter your name. Troy. So as you see, the game displays my board, Troy's turn, and the computer's board. It's a alphabetic and numeric grid. It's showing me the Japanese cruiser ship, which is playing the computer, and our team, the player, is the United States for this World War II version of the game. So we're going to start out with doing A3, enter. That's a miss. M for miss. We're going to do B4. That's a miss. C5. D6. That was my mistake. Made a mistake there. And that tells you when you make a mistake. That's an incorrect position or move that's already attempted. So we're going to do H6. That's a miss. H4. Miss. I. Hit. All right. So D3 is a hit. And it looks like it hit the battleship. So that's 4 spaces. Let's try C3. That's a hit. B3. That's a hit. E3. All right. Battleship was sunk. That was, once all 4 hits are made for that ship, it displays an S for the sinking. All right. H8 gave us a hit. So let's do I8. That's a miss. G8. That's a hit. F8. That's a hit. E8. That's a hit. Delta 8. And we sank the aircraft carrier. So F1, miss. F3, hit. F4. And so all now ships are sunk. That's awesome, Troy. You won. That's the end of the game. I hope you enjoyed it.